Um, we just did proof by induction.
Then what you did last week?
Proof by contradiction.
Okay. Okay. Let's double check a little bit the trick. It's not really trick. It's called the circular measure. Christian guys know circular measure already. Well, what formula you learned in circular measure?
We just learned
Do you know, for example, here, theta in radians? Well, if theta in radians, what's the formula for arc length? We probably learned this one last year.
We learned it last year, but I just forgot.
Okay. Theta, very good. What's this is called arc? What's the area of the sector, Charlotte? Yes, theta squared. This is called area of sector. Eden, do you know the name for this part? Do you know the name for this one? Yeah, segment. This area equals, Charlotte? Oh, you just use half theta r squared minus triangle, which is half r squared sine theta. Okay. Of course, if you have this line called chord, you have this segment, you have this segment. Okay, this is called the minor. This is called the major. Remember that? Yeah, this is the formula very easy. The formula very easy. Okay. Oh. Ting Meng, the coming test. Can you use calculator?
Yes.
Oh, you can calculate. Nice. Okay. Let's have a look.
It's like not circular. It's like trig, but it's the circle.
Trig, not this.
Yeah. It's like unit circle stuff. Wait, what topic is it? I think it's called circular trig.
Okay. Okay, then we revise other thing. Okay. Unit circle. The radius is just one, huh? Okay. For example, this theta is acute angle. No calculator answer following question. Given sine theta equals P. Question 1. What's cos theta? Question 2. Okay, then we try to make it annoying. Let's make a table, a big table. Sine theta. Oh, we better use theta. Okay. Theta, sine theta. How we make the, okay, here. Sine. Maybe here, angle. Sorry, I'll make up a random one. If A equals, this is the angle. Just theta. Sine theta just equals P. What's cos? What's tan? Pi minus theta. Pi plus theta. 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi plus theta. all in terms of p. Half pi minus theta. We check one more. If sine theta equals p, how about cos? How about tan? With all in terms of p. What do we need to calculate? We just check sine first. Pi minus theta, the angle is right here. This is pi minus theta, this one. So sine is still positive. Pi plus theta is here. Maybe you remember this type of thing. Sine positive inside here. You can say positive, positive, negative, negative for sine. For cos, it's positive, positive, negative, negative for cos. For tan, it's positive, positive for tan. Pi plus theta is already negative, so negative p, negative p, p. Okay, 2 pi plus theta just back to original. Cos p theta. 听完 what's cos theta? Okay.
P.
No. Let's have a look.
Is it like a variation?
For example, sine theta equals p over 1. 听闻 what's here?
One minus P squared.
Yes. So cos theta, p squared.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. I don't know. Yeah.
But for cos, pi minus is here, negative. Pi plus, again, negative. So how we calculate the tan?
Sine theta over cos theta, which is just
Excellent. So P
P
over root 1 minus P
Yeah.
squared. P over root 1 minus P squared. P over root 1 minus P squared. P over 1 minus P squared. P over. Okay. How about the last column? Shadow, the last column. Very good. How you do it? Sine square plus cos square equals 1. Oh, just check here. This angle is half pi minus theta. What's the sign? Opposite over hypotenuse. Cos tan. This is the idea about the unit circle. This is the idea about unit circle.
Wait, why is that bit pi a half pi times theta?
Minus, not times.
Oh,
90 minus.
Okay. Oh, yes.
Like
okay.
here, 30 degree. Here will be 60 degree.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Got it.
You mean this part of trig in the exam? In the coming test?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, solve equations. Oh,
It's like the quadratic thingy where you like sub like sine like theta for like t or something and then you like quadratic it.
oh. Okay, I'll just make up a question. Do you need to use sine square plus cos square equals 1?
Yes, I think so.
Do you need
Yeah,
to use
it's like
cos
that thing.
2 theta?
It's like
Upper angle
the
formula?
it's like the negative sign equals like yeah, that's
Okay. I'll just
what it
no worry.
equals.
Let me make up a question. Cos theta square times 24 minus cos theta minus half equals 0. Like this type of question? Yeah. How you solve theta? No calculator will solve theta. Did you learn secant, cosecant stuff? Not yet? Did you learn 1 plus tan square equals secant square? Oh, just sine cos. Okay, let's see. Just sine.
Excuse me, Dr. Sam.
Yeah.
What does it mean by cosine squared?
Oh, like cosine the whole thing squared.
Oh, okay, thank you.
You learn graphs, trig graphs. Oh. Transformation? Or just like the maximum minimum. You can find a sine bx plus c, things like that. Oh, that one. Okay.
She mentioned that the equation will taste like the sum also one when you have a graph and there are 2 points and you have to find and they give an equation with a and b and you have to find
The equation. You can calculate that. What's the theta? Edward. Edward, you solve theta? Up here? Okay. Tell us what's the theta?
it's plus minus 5 plus minus 1.
Okay, let's have a look. This type of question is quadratics. You can write 8c squared minus 2c minus 1 equals 0. Oh, can we factorize it? 2, 4, 1, 1, negative. So 2c minus 1, 4c plus 1. So cos theta equals half. Cos theta equals negative a quarter. This one gives you theta equals pi over 3. Of course, could be minus and plus 2k pi, whole number of rotation. And this one, we need a calculator. Plus minus plus 2k pi. K just integer. That's called general solution. But normally, most questions they give you kind of domain, the possible range, like 0 to 1. Okay. there's calculator, you can just get graph, find this. Have a look here. More equations. Right here. Some trig equation revision. Question 1. Okay, so it's not hard, especially you can calculate it much easier. Okay. For these three questions, all like a quadratics, all quadratics. You can check the answer I post in WeChat group and Discord already. You can check the answer for your working. But for us, we need to check one more question about how you find the curve for trig, like this. For example, graph here. How you find this stuff. This one, for example. Number 10. How you find ABC? Let me copy that. Let's see. Human, what's the little a here?
One. Okay.
Really?
Half. Wait.
They told
Sorry,
you
I
all
just went to
positive.
get water.
What's A? A is amplitude.
Oh, 4.
Yes.
Wrong one.
B.
B. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. For B, we need a 2 pi. If it's in degree, we use 360. Divided by period. Eh? What's the period here? Then. Well, what's the period of the curve?
It's just pi.
Good. So B just 2. C. Charlotte, what's C? They told you all positive. Yes. Because sine in B x minus pi over 2 just means you move the sine graph from here to the right, like this. So C just pi over 2. Okay, that's this question. The other one. Any annoying question? Oh, yeah, here. 13. Oh, we need to read the estimated value. So to finish question A, I. Charlotte AI.
Um,
7 a.m. Oh yes, 7 a.m. I Eden. 1 a.m. 3 Edward. Good. 柠檬闭给
8.
Good. Big A just equals maximum minus minimum divided by 2. In this question, it's 18. 2, which is 8. C just plus divided by 2, which is 10. B just 2 pi over period. Charlotte, what's B?
5 to 6.
Yes. Because from maximum to minimum takes 6 hours, which means maximum to minimum and then maximum 12 hours. Oh, finished. Okay, it's not very hard. Okay, the document in WeChat group, the question not very hard. Just like some kind of basic. Okay, we got 2 homework. One like this. You can visualize it using GeoGebra, the online graph 3D calculator, and this trig revision. For Christian students, it's like revising last year. Okay, take care, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You got question message. Okay. Okay, I cannot stop it.